Hello everybody, here I am back with a new lesson above and over. So how to use above and over? First look at the examples. So let's start with the lady on the left. So do you confuse above and over? Okay, do you confuse it? Another, what's the other question of this second lady? The airplane is above or over our house. She asks me this question. Okay, I'll answer it. Okay, now what's this gentleman say? She drives the car above or over 329 mile per hour. Okay, man, I will answer this also. What's this lady said again? For fries is C above, for fries is C over. She wants to confuse me. Okay, for fries is C above or for fries is C over. Which one to use? Anyways, guys, it's www.skylearning.com and brought to you by the same channel and by Ubaidullah Wahdat. In this video, we'll discuss about above and over. Pukhto ke above and over dwada da pasa mana orgi. So how we'll discuss it? Come on. So here, above and over. First point, higher than. We use above or over. Both are possible. Above and over can be both mean higher than. Above or over. In this case, above is more common with this meaning. So you can use over, but people will prefer using above. Example, the water came up above our knees or the water came up over our knees. Higher than, for example, something is rising, so you can use either above or over. Another example, the helicopter is above over the lake. There is a lake, so you say the helicopter is above the lake, the helicopter is over the lake. Both are possible. You are just talking about the distance, you are just talking about the highness of something, you can use it. Number two, not directly over. So once something is not directly over, چې مستقیم دی او بل څه د پاسه نه وي، لکه لږ فاصله منځ کې ولري، لکه طیاره په اسمان کې بل شی چې اوس بل سره ټچ نشي، above استعمالو. We usually use above when one thing is not actually over or touching another. When one thing is not when one thing is not actually over or touching another. Example, the plane is above in the sky. For example, here you see the plane is very above in the sky and it is not touching our roofs, not touching anything that is very far away. Another example, we have got a house above the lake. We will discuss about contractions, right? We have is a short form of we have. We've got a house above the lake. So our house is not on the lake, right? It is not completely touching the river. No, it is just above the lake. It means it's about 300, 200 meters above. So when something is not directly over, so we use above. Number three, covering. When something is covering, for example, touching, we use over, not above. Above over. So okay, we prefer over when one thing covers or touches another. Example, there is a cloud over the south of England. So for example, the cloud covers the south of England. So we use over, not above. Another example, you must put on a coat over your shirt. The by the way, coat the kameez the pass the chikala tawa start all badan cover touch sara. So here you should use over, not above. Another example, the shops are over the basement. You are sitting or standing in the basement and you are talking about the shop. So you say the shops are over the basement. So here the shops are touching the surface of the floor of the basement. So kala chewsabal sara mustaqiman touch over istemalo. Okay guys, for the complete listen, if you want to watch it, just give a click to the following link and subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget, also like our Facebook page. The mukamal dars lapara bada galandini link bane click kuakde au zamuk the YouTube channel subscribe kay. Bye. Sorry. Okay, usage number 4 is measurements. Above. کله چې اندازه ګیرانو په اړه په خبرې کوو نو بیا above استعمالو چې کله اندازه به وښایو. نو اوس به تاسو اگزامپل کې پوه شئ. Above is used in measurements of temperature and height. Whenever you are talking about the measure, the کله چې تاسو د حرارت د درجې او د قد یا د اوچتوالي په اړه اندازې خبرې کوئ نو بیا به above استعمالوئ، over باندې استعمالوئ. Example, the temperature is 3 degrees above zero. right? Here 3 degrees is above 0. You cannot say over 0. Another example, Mount Everest is about 8,000 meters above sea level. So here Mount Everest is 8,000 meters above. So it is talking about the heights. Another example, Burj Khalifa is more above than any other building in Dubai. So here we are talking about the height of the building. Number 5 is edge speeds more than over. Whenever when we talk about edge speeds, so it means more than. More than माना के over इस्तेमाल हो. Example, we usually use over, not above, to talk about edge in speeds and to mean. أو تدين إنسان मतलब أخلو دومرون ويا the speed بارا the more than the dare माना. So you have to be over 18 to go to the movies. For example, we are talking about here that you must be more than 18. Another example, she is over 20 but she seems to be older than 20. So for example, she is over 20. It means she is not 20, she is more than 20. Another example, the police said she was driving at over 110 mile per hour. So she was driving over more than 110. She might be driving at 120, 130 like this. I can drive Ferrari over 320 mile per hour. There are over 10,000 people at the festival. So for example, I'm talking about more than 10,000 people at the festival. Number 6. Sorry. I got a sore throat. Number 6, books and papers above and over. In a book or paper, above means earlier on the page. Like مخكي بصفحة or on an earlier page. يا بمخكي صفحة. Example, the above rules and regulations apply to all students. براني قوانين طول شاگردانو باندې عملي کیږي. قوانين او مقررات. نو دلته وګورئ above لکه مخکینی صفحه کې اوس ذکر شوی یا بره ذکر شوی. For prices and deliveries charges see above. د نرخونه او کومه ډیلیوری چې تاسو د شی انتقالیږي د هغې لپاره بره وګورئ. For example, earlier on the page لکه مخکې په صفحه کې. Another example, our village is just above the Cardiff on the map. You are looking at the map and you just see your village and then you say our village is just above the Cardiff on the map. Another example, but over means look on the next page. Over da mana نه ورګي چې بره وګورئ هغوی چې بلې صفحې ته وګورئ. For prices and delivery charges, see over. So see over doesn't mean see above. See over means see on the next page. Now you see the difference. The above, for example, for prices and delivery charges, see above. It means look at the earlier page or above. But whenever you're talking about to look something on the next page, so you use over. Guys, if you liked our video, and I think it will be most interesting for you, that because this video is just really tricky for some learners, they just confuse above and over. I hope you have learned something. If you have learned something, so just give us your comments and we will come with a new interesting video. This video is brought to you by skylearning.com, and please subscribe our channel also. Until next time, bye.